This is the Cadence ZRS, and it's a car amplifier. It's a big car amplifier. It's so big it has, that's right, that's not a misprint, 12,000 watts.
Yep.
Yeah, this is huge. It's at least 2.5 feet long, and it probably weighs a good 20 pounds or so. So you might be wondering, what is this thing powering, right? What needs 12,000 watts? Well, let me show you.
Let's walk over to it.
This is what needs 12,000 watts. Stand next to it, Cyan. That's pretty damn big. I'm sure the subwoofer must weigh 800 pounds or something like that. Now, of course, you can never have one. You need two of these, right? You need one. You got to put two of these in your car. That means you need two of those amplifiers over there.